In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to transfer GTA Online character from PlayStation 4 to PC and whether or not it is possible to do this. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the option of transferring the progress that you have made on a character on your PlayStation 4 on GTA Online to PC. So, first, what you would try to do is to log in on any character on PC, press escape to pause the game, and go over to the online section. What you will notice, however, is that even if you browse through all of the options, there is nothing related to transferring the progress from a pre-existing character. You could try going over to swap character, but as you can see, this will only change the actual character available after you start playing GTA Online. This doesn't refer to transferring. So what about the settings? If you browse through them here, once again, you won't be able to find anything to transfer your progress. So the last resort would be going over to the official website on Grand Theft Auto Online, and in here you could sign into your account to go into the settings. But what is going to become obvious is that even though you can link your accounts, this will do nothing in-game. The option is not going to appear and seemingly it is missing everywhere. So as it stands today, what is the answer to the question in the title of this video? Well, as it stands today, transferring your progress from GTA Online from a pre-existing character from console to PC is impossible. This is true for PlayStation 4 and also any other platform where you can play GTA Online. Back when GTA Online originally released for PC, you were actually able to do this, but ever since then, Rockstar has removed the option, and after years, they never added it back. So as it stands today, it is impossible to transfer your progress from PlayStation 4 to PC. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware about the limitations of transferring GTA Online character from PlayStation 4 to PC and how it's actually impossible to do this. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.